Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add auto captions to your video in CapCut. So before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and like this video as it really helps this channel a lot. So first we'll go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store. We'll search for CapCut and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on a new file. Here I'll go ahead and select a video where I've recorded myself speaking in this video. So we'll go ahead and tap on add. Now in this video, we want to add auto captions. So we want to basically put down words, what I've spoken on this video. So to do this, you need to first make sure this clip is not selected. At the bottom here, select text. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find auto captions. Go ahead and select that. Now this will basically ask you where you want to generate it from. So I want to generate it from the video. Spoken language, let it auto detect, and what kind of text you want it to appear. As you can see, there are some diamonds just above some of these texts. So they are the pro version font. However, if you swipe left, you'll see some which are free. They don't have diamonds on it. So you can use those. Then go ahead and tap on generate. This will now generate the captions from your video. So now when you press play now, this will now generate a video with your captions. So there you go, guys. That is how to add auto captions to your video in CapCut.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.